Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Alpha Legend step by step. Start by assessing your rank and inventory, then create a focused plan with daily milestones. Break progress into weapon mastery, map control, and decision-making to improve steadily. Track simple metrics like win rate and K/D to guide adjustments, and refine loadouts based on results. Keep a calm mindset, review replays, and celebrate each increment toward Alpha Legend. In this video, I will show how to get Alpha Legend step by step. Focus on reliable loadouts that fit your aim, movement, and preferred engagement range. Test attachments in casual matches, then lock in a primary and secondary you can use confidently under pressure. Adjust armor and consumables to match match length and team role, and record performance after changes to see real gains over time. In this video, I will show how to get Alpha Legend step by step. Quick recommendation: grab the simple path to wealth as a casual read that reshapes your money mindset, which indirectly helps fund better gear and less stress while climbing ranks. If you find the tips useful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to get Alpha Legend step by step. Develop a reliable rotation plan and prioritize positioning that forces favorable fights. Practice calm decision-making under pressure and limit tilt by using short mental resets between rounds. Share simple, timely information with teammates and adopt one tactical habit each week to build consistency. Reassess goals monthly and focus on steady, measurable improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.